Hi everyone, I am Abhishek Agarwal and I have secured second rank. Thanks a lot. Okay, I can say a lot of things to you. I've been to other places as well and I've said a lot of things there as well to guide you people. So today I'm going to talk about two things which are really important for this paper, which is law. First of all, what I'd like to say, I've interacted with a lot of people and I've come across one thing which I find really annoying is that people take this paper as a burden. They take this paper as something which is crunched between three papers which are very practical and enjoyable. So my first point is, let me make you see this way. In order to pass this exam, you have to be among the top 6 or the 7. And the way things have gone this time around, you have to be in the top 4. So how can you expect yourself to be in the top 6 or 7 if you're taking that thing as a burden? You know, among the 100 students who write that paper, there will be 6 to 7 people who take that as a passion, who may find a career in that subject. So how can you expect yourself to beat them when you're taking it as a burden? So don't take this subject as a burden. I know it's a bit theoretical, but it's a beautiful subject. It gives you a wider perspective, it makes you more aware of your rights, it gives you a sense of justice, which is required to live a better life. You need to be able to make decisions which are justified in a very, very positive way. Second thing which I'd like to say is, okay, I've said that you need to have a passion. These things look nice when you say them. Second thing, which is a very practical and exam-oriented approach, is how to remember this stuff. You know, I've come across people who say that we like law, but we find it a bit troublesome remembering each and every section. Now, you don't have to remember it. For the approach that I followed is, I try to sit down and imagine myself as a lawmaker. And when I am the lawmaker, I don't have to mug up stuff. I just have to justify my decisions. I have written the law, I just have to give a reasonable justification for it. And when you justify your own actions, you don't have to remember them. Also, you are in the best place to have the correct and technical interpretation of law. So try to find loopholes in law. I know there are many sections, but once they're in Bonus Act, there are many sections which are full of fundamental errors and loopholes. So when you find a loophole in law, you wouldn't forget this section at all, even in your life. That's all I can say to you. I'd like to thank you for this amazing reception that you gave me and wish you best of luck, and one day completely relied on the Institute's material. The practice, see, ITSM is the easiest paper, believe me. It's the toughest to learn, but it's the easiest to write in the exam because they ask you 2 marks definition, which you have been doing all your life. So the thing is, the more you remember because the suggested answers, the key which goes to the examiner is framed from the study material. And definitions are something which even a word here and there can make you lose marks. So it's my strong advice to you that please refer to study material of the institute. If you are referring to some other book, please go through the study material at least once. Thank you.
Good. For other theory subjects also, do share your experience.
For audit, I used to refer to Sotri ma'am's book, and for law, Bhandari sir, and I also studied from the practice manual. Practice manual is very important for every subject because you know how to present the answers. That's very important. I see a lot of people who say that we got every answer correct but still we got 50, 40. The main reason is you have to present well. The way you present shows how confident you are in your own answer. So that is very important. So go through the practice manual as well.
Cost FM.
Cost FM is like 12th maths. Complete practice and practice. Practical subjects, I'd say practice. The more you practice, the more surety that you'll get good marks.
अच्छा what के accounts? देखिए खाली इतना मिलते accounts so what accounts? मतलब accounts में क्या? Book, material, teacher, what do you want to ask? ठीक.
If anyone of you has a specific query, you can stand up and ask me. If that's what you want.
चलिए जी, मुझे लगता है किसी कोई खास मेरी नहीं है, स्टैंड अप बिंदास।
It's better if you do, it gives you confidence, but you won't really have the time to do all the questions in practice. But it's better if you can take some time and write the theory subjects as well.